fit any assess anything, and your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be a change your floor, and I'm about too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha, me so me share.
I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. Dini there a be brave, and this be what matter come. This world where we day inside wonders will never end. You know go end that. You know go end though, brother man. If wonders go end for this world inside no, unless people with them day the world inside no die before wonders no go shun the what they happen. What be the matter where you come? The matter where you can be say 70-year-old man where he grow where they live plus in wife the Nkidi for Kenya. In wife the Nkidi, you know, they accuse the man, they say the man get money. If they take the money, they satisfy widows where they did the what? The constituency inside, you know, for Kenya. Where then they build that place, you know, Garanta South location in the Baratu constituency in Jericho country in Kenya. That be the place no where the man they cut off his manhood. The man they take and prepare, then they accuse him, you know, cut off your manhood for them. You know, be so brother man. When it happened, they say the chief where he did the constituency inside no, they narrate the story and give him. When the man they say the man no, due to the pressure where in what in wife need the Nkidi need to give him no, the man who go kitchen inside where he go with sharp knife. Where you take cut what in take, you know. So right now, no, the man in condition it not be easy. Where they take the man who go hospital, the hospital where they take the man who go no. Where right now, no, they tell like they spend 3 hours for the what they dig top before they take red patch. You know we use something, you know. The man need bleed. You go first see the picture no, for the screen top. That be the matter where you what it come. This life where we day inside moon. If you not live your life to please others, if you take please God, this man you know say you know they do that thing. Because in what in family where you get where they get money for there no, they take do what? They take spy house. Everything there the kiddies that the woman they want, they give them. But still then they do what? Then they accuse the man no, say they do that thing for the village inside. They not they see the man, he say either someone they move than things, but they won't accuse the man. Where the man need to me, he take that and want children that on popo. Then the thing where they put for on top, they say, nah, we go do that thing. You did this word inside that. If you live your life, because no matter what you do for this world inside now, you not go be people. Where some go be some people. So you do your mind say you don't want please people, you don't want please people are. If you now where you go put yourself for that hot water inside where you know go come out for inside camp. Nagging wife be something where be serious. So you there if you pray for that thing say make no God no give you nagging wife. Because you be someone where they do adore where you go marry woman where you know in hand be strong where you know they open your hand now. That thing they worry wow. Where this word where we day inside to you forgive, you for share. Because what they have no, God take give you say forgive people, but because God not take give you per se chop. If God take give you per se chopper, and people no go there around where they not get food chop. God make you God for on your own, so you do it for help people. So pray say God no go give you nagging wife, then stubborn children. If you God now where they give those people those things, but pray you pray and God go see, then you go change your what your situation he give you. Sake of accuse. Man cutting what in the top. It bust my mind. I feel think I tap and think I say this word there, this word be something. Because some people they did this word inside, they get soft heart. They didn't like lies. Because they know say this thing I not do. When they put for my top, they feel do something, give them like they feel damage themselves or them body. So if you did this word inside, when you accuse people blindly, you know see something. When you go talk say you see something where they accuse people, if for sure that thing. You're not good. You're not good crowd. False witness. false witness, and people they fit take money go give some people say make them take money they can't lie. Now some of Krabani no get money, you not get what they take in time to do. The person need to go take the money and go lie, put the person in what in top. It be something where they go on for one country inside. You go on a homes, you go on a workplaces, you go marketplaces, you go everywhere. He did there. He did there. Wow. He did there. Right now, what the man will do? Right now, look at what the man has put himself due to helping people. Due to saying, no, you know, be strong, he dey give. Make I talk you something. Make you not live your life to the extent say you go hurt yourself. Make you not do that thing like that for this world inside. Where the man need to know, I know they give and blame like that. It's sort of emotions, the in thinking where you make you do that thing. Because the way they talk say they take in something, they satisfy the woman no, for there no. Where the son talk say they take in money no, the money no way they take do the farming and things and the revenue no where they come no. They say they take that money no, they build houses, give the widows the things. If you they do it be something where it be wrong. It bust my brain. This be the matter where you what it come. You go feel do what? You go feel subscribe to one channel. It be what? It be too much GH. It be very, very what? Necessary. You like, then subscribe on our channel, then want our pictures, or you go feel like. If you need to, I go feel leave your comment. For the comment box what? Inside. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what? It works. Bow!
Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for. Ashe for. Etie for. Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no. Subscribe wo na ehintasem. Ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so. Ena ye de bremu. One God in ye. The only one God in GH. Eho ana de bia mehwe. Abroche for. Ene Ghana for. Mo mo wiasa fa na ina. Me recommend emamo. Too much GH.
Too much GH. Me did Ch0pping Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo, we betun afem the great tempo. Mbrenbren, won me nkan woni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura